Ayasenza indaba ukuthi throw those 6 league games because we should be talking a different story right now. But even nale 4 wins in a row counts for something, to be honest. There's an ongoing discussion in the public platforms whereby abantu they are asking questions ukuthi must Kaizer Chiefs keep the co-coaches or they must look for another coach? Because now is the perfect time for them to decide what's the ambition for next season. Sanibonani football lovers. Welcome to PK Sports. Igama lami Mbongi Nkosi. Ngithembe ukuthi ni kahle, liyaphila. Danko. I think ukuthi le question lena engizoyibuza manje. Umuntu nomuntu ozophendula. Kumele aphendule ngendlela ukuthi before aphendula uxokozisile ugebhezi based on ukuthi why must the co-coaches be released and why must the co-coaches be kept by Kaizer Chiefs management. We're going to discuss nje ngako nje lokho today ukuze so understand ukuthi kahle kahle what's the thing that they are doing that is not sitting well with their fans, because they are calling for their heads even though the stats are there. So basically, Kaizer Chiefs, the last time when they won 4 games in a row, it was back in 2023 up until they are doing it now. Because I remember when the season started, ngabe sikwenzile lokho, but we were disturbed by a game of Mamelodi Sundowns. We won 3 in a row and drew with Sundowns and won the 5th match against the Golden Arrows. But now we managed to win against Durban City, Orbit College, Magesi, and the TS Galaxy. And the TS Galaxy is a team that made it difficult for Chiefs to defeat for these 5 years. But Kaizer Chiefs ended up winning. So, Bafethu, the co-coaches, are they being hated because they are not doing their job very well, or they are being hated because people think that they betrayed to coach Nasreddin Nabi? Because as a coach, I believe one thing that measures how effective you are in a club, it is based on trophies that you bring to the club, their achievements. And for the co-coaches, yes, they haven't won a single trophy since they've been given that opportunity to take charge of Kaizer Chiefs after the departure of coach Nasreddin Nabi. But right now, we are not talking about achievement, but we are talking about improvement from last season. And not only last season, but the 2 seasons before. The co-coaches' stats are on their side in terms of improvement. And that's not something I'd say we should dwell on, but it is important to know what did the team do differently this season compared to the other season. Kaizer Chiefs right now is sitting on position number 3 with 42 points. Last season, we needed how many games? We played a full of 28 games, but azange sifike ku 40 points. Siphelele ku 32. But now we topped it up with 10 points. And I believe we can still get other points. The goal now might be to reach 60 points if the team performs according to their best, and then they make sure they get those required results. But now, umbuzo usamile ukuthi, will it be a good idea if the management decides not to fire the co-coaches, if they end up being in the top 3 or the top 2, because that's the target? And one thing I have to say, it was commendable by the management ukuthi bangalaleli ama-fans when they were frustrated ngalama losses that were in a row bewalandelana. Because I believe that if they were not thinking clearly in making decisions, they could have fired the coaches, and that could have disturbed the momentum of the team. Yes, the fans were right because it was uncalled for ukuthi ningaluza 4 games in a row without showing any remorse or ama responses which you want to win. But I'd say ukuthi that made the management and the coaches to realize one thing, which no, we have to deliver no matter what. And the management giving the coaches an ultimatum. It seemed like ukuthi ibavusile emaqandeni because they were starting to relax, because now they managed to win 4 games in a row and still counting. But now the question is, if they keep these coaches for next season, obviously there will be expectation, because now we know good, okay, this is how they operate. I believe good now by now they understand now their team, their players, good, okay, as we are the co-coaches, this is how we should manage this squad in order to get the best out of them. Because this thing of changing coaches every season, it is not helping Kaizer Chiefs. Instead, it makes them look like they are working backwards. They are taking 2 steps forward and 3 steps backward. So lento leyo, it won't help the club by any means. But I believe ukuthi, even if they decide to fire the co-coaches, they should bring a coach, if possible, that can be willing to work with the co-coaches. But we know ukuthi, it's unfortunate ukuthi in this modern day and era, for a technical team ukuthi ibambisane no coach ozofika, because ucoach ofikayo ufuna ukufika nelakhe iqembu. But for continuity, it will be a good idea. But now, asazi ukuthi, as things stands, iyozala ngomuntu, because people are going in social media platforms saying ukuthi sobona after the Mamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates games, ukuthi should we retain them or we should get rid of them. So the question is ukuthi lawa amanye ama games awabalekanga, abalekile lawa yi2 because of bragging rights, because I believe ukuthi 2 games mustn't judge how the coaches perform for a club. But those 2 games now, they are crucial for Kaizer Chiefs if they want to get that top 2 spot. But if they can win those 2 games and win the other games, yes, I believe with the club is in a good path. Now, they are in the right path whereby Guti, now everything will become clear. Okay, this is the mandate, this is the target. But manje, you see Guti, what they are doing, they are not putting pressure on themselves, but they are moving with the flow. So okay, kusazoniwa, and I believe Guti, now is the perfect time for us to support the club sikhohlwe indeni, because we see Guti there's progress, and kule progress le akudingeki izinto ezincane ukuthi ibaphazamise, because there's this thing I've noticed ukuthi at some point the club ingabi yenza kahle, but kuye kwenzeka ukuthi kube nabantu, external forces, that want to disturb the team, ukuthi uzoza with a statement maqeda the fans fall for it. Because there was also an agenda about uLilepu, bafuna ukuthi uLilepu nokunimbhesha so that the confidence yehle bese angasaphefuma. So you see ukuthi fana nomphakathi, umphakathi mawungafika ukuthole wenza into wrong, kuyothiwa akulindwa amaphoyisa, bese kuba khona umuntu oyi1 kodwa ngeke amaphoyisa angeke asincede ngane kusasimshaya. Lo oyi1 uconvince wonke umuntu, same as a football band. It might be fans of other FCs that might be influential in decisions that get to be made by management, and how frustrated the fans become. Because right now, bazokulandela umlando ukuthi hayi i-Chiefs ayina trophy, i-Chiefs. Yes, we know that, but we know ukuthi progress takes time. These co-coaches might not be your ideal coaches for a club like Kaizer Chiefs, but what's important is that they are going on about silently doing their job. That's what is important. Because if you compare the Chiefs of Nasreddine Nabi, yes, we understand ukuthi uNabi huyo balethe eMzansi and huyo benze sure ukuthi yabaplaka with an opportunity. But unfortunately kwenzekile okwenzekile. But manje bona basalile we tasked ukuthi at least babambe Kaizer Chiefs. And now kukancane kancane bayayincenge. I'm not saying ukuthi what they've done, they've completely changed the Kaizer Chiefs, but they are improving it. So that simply means good with the belief that they have from the management, as a coach Cedric Gaza said about ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs management, they trust in us, and I know what I'm capable of. It's only a matter of ukuthi if we are in sync, the team, the players, the coaches, the staff, and we pull in the same direction, we can achieve what we want to achieve. But one thing I'm gonna say, let's not relax. Let's keep on putting pressure, because that's how we will get to the promised land. And for now, when we hear abantu saying no, that's not ukuthi abantu, no. Abantu afuna ukuphazamisa le progress iKaizer Chiefs eyenza. Because nalo coach ezofuna abamfunayo, it might happen ukuthi afike eNaturena but angapheki the way bapheka ngakhona labo abayithu. And for them also that they were inexperienced to be the head coaches of a team like Kaizer Chiefs, that also nabo made them realize one thing, ukuthi this is an opportunity. We are given a platform ukuthi let's perform, let's try to make a mark in this club. Nanoma kuthiwa siyaxoshwa, but they said it ukuthi mangahamba iChiefs ngibeke ku top 3, at least I've achieved something, me personally as a coach, not a club. But now the way the agenda is being pushed is like kahle kahle ayikho indaba yabo bayabheda vele ngazathi umsebenzi abawenza, because sibala from the goals scored, goals considered, the clean sheets, the position on the log, it counts for something compared to the previous seasons. Let's be honest of it. Let's not let our judgment be clouded. At some point we have to be honest and be brutally honest with ourselves, because it's either we're gonna help the club stay it in the right direction or we're gonna derail the club, because the performances that they are pulling in these 4 games, it is something that it was difficult for Kaizer Chiefs to do, because bebangakwazi ukuwina ama games in hand, bebangakwazi ukuwina ama games against the so-called small clubs, and now they are doing that. So that's something we have to upload that ukuthi khona into abayenzayo. So the thing now ukuthi must they be retained or must they be fired by the management, because kuyacaca manje ukuthi we have to be decisive when it comes to this matter right now. Decide kwamanje ukuthi abahambe or abahlale.